you, and thank you very much for allowing me to say what I want to say. This is just in relation to what Congresswoman Geraldine Roman said, that MG and I were, we had issues about about the mistakes that we said. Sir, right now, as I'm scrolling through Facebook, I just want to say that I'm also a victim of fake news. Because it's on Facebook and on GMA that it says na I said sorry for saying mass resignation. I did not say mass resignation, sir. I said may mga nag-resign daw. The mass resignation was not on my end. So in the interest of everyone's protection, not just for social media, even for us, kasi we're also citizens of the Philippines, can you also correct? I never said mass resignation, but in your news it said that I admitted, I'm crying because I'm admitting na nagkamali ako sa mass resignation. I never said that, and my post is still up. So could you kindly also correct your news, GMA? Thank you, sir, for allowing me to say I really appreciate
that
this.
That is noted, but that is not our responsibility. That would be the responsibility who made the news. Anyway, please, okay na.
Mr. Chair?
Yes, you are recognized. No, she was the first one.
Okay.
Itong, yeah.
Ms. Crisette Chu, sir, thank you very much,
No,
sir.
this, yeah, you. Person who raised his or right hand, please identify yourself.
MJ Kiambao po. MJ Kiambao Reyes. Siguro po sa next hearing, pwede rin pong patawag yung nagsulat nitong fake news about us in the spirit of fairness. And I would also like to, yun pong pag-iyak ko at yung walang patid na pag-apologize ko is coming from the fact na dahil ayoko pong makontempt, ayoko pong ma-detain, dahil may dalawa po akong nasa critical condition na nanay at mother-in-law. Yun po yun. Pero sa mainstream media at social media ngayon, pinagtatawanan ako dahil nag-apologize ako at tinawag akong tanga. But I cannot forgive myself if I don't speak now and tell you the truth. I'm just really afraid na ma-detain at this time. At this time kasi may dalawa akong nasa critical condition na naka-bedridden na nanay at mother-in-law na nasa late stage na anytime they die. I don't want to be detained and wala ako sa tabi niya. Ayun lang po, Mr. Chair.
Ms. MJ, at this point in time, this committee has no plans of detaining you. Was there a motion? There was no motion. So we will proceed with the next interpellator.
Mr. Chair, I just wanted to point out that although I understand, well, I'm trying to understand where the concerns of our good resource person is coming from, but I think it's baseless. Wala pa namang motion, wala pa namang nagsasabi na iko-contempt ka, wala pa namang, for as long as you cooperate, and for as long as you say the truth, and for as long as you're completely honest, there's nothing to be fearful. Not unless, of course, you're hiding the truth. So, dun, pwede kang matakot. Kaso lang kung wala naman po kayong itinatago at buong katotohanan ng sinasabi ninyo, di wala po dapat kayong ikabahala. At saka wala po dapat kayong dahilan para umiyak. Siguro maganda po, ma'am, uminom po kayo ng tubig at baka ma-dehydrate po kayo. So anyway, Mr. Chairman, thank you very much. I just have some concern. Am I... Okay, yeah. Mr. Chairman, meron po